Do you understand English but struggle to speak it fluently? Do you often say, "I know what they're saying, but I can't say it myself"? That's because your ears and mouth need training. To speak English naturally, you must hear like a native and speak with confidence. That's what this video is for. Welcome to Slow English Lab, the channel that helps you speak English step by step, slowly and with no pressure. Today you'll learn how to use shadowing to train your ears and mouth. Repeat real-life English with emotion and rhythm. Sound natural, clear, and confident, even as a beginner. What's shadowing? It's the practice of repeating English immediately after hearing it, like an echo. It's one of the most powerful methods for fluency. Subscribe now and comment. I'm training my ears and mouth today. Let's start your fluency journey, one shadow at a time. Tip 1. Start with short, clear sentences. Shadowing is like going to the gym. You don't lift 100 kilograms on day 1. You start small and smart. Begin with short, simple sentences. Example, "I'm ready." "That's great. I don't know." These are real English phrases and easy to shadow. Play each one, pause, then speak. Repeat each 3 to 5 times. Focus on the sound. Match the intonation. Say it with emotion. Your brain needs repetition. Don't rush. Repeat slowly, clearly, and confidently. Tip 2. Use slow emotional English. Shadowing isn't just about copying sounds, it's about copying feeling. Emotional English is more memorable, expressive, and fun to speak. Example, "Wow, that's amazing." Try saying it with excitement, surprise, curiosity. Why emotion matters. It activates your brain's memory center. It improves pronunciation and tone. It helps you sound less robotic and more human. So every time you shadow, smile, laugh, nod, react, feel the English. Tip 3. Pause and repeat. Don't overload. Many learners press play and try to shadow 5 to 10 seconds of English all at once. That's too much. Here's a better way. Listen. One short sentence, pause. Repeat. Pause again. Listen again. Break long sentences into smaller chunks. Example, "I'm not sure. Let me check." "Can you say that one more time?" This method gives you space to breathe, space to learn, and space to improve. Fluency grows with intentional repetition, not speed. Tip 4. Focus on chunks, not individual words. Native speakers don't say, "I will call you later." They say, "I'll call you later," with linked sounds and natural stress. This is called chunking, and it's the secret to sounding fluent. Practice shadowing entire phrases, not just words. Examples, "Sounds good to me." "What are you up to?" "Let's take a break." Listen carefully. Don't just hear the words. Hear the music of English. Repeat the chunk 3 times until it flows. Tip 5. Add body movement while shadowing. Shadowing isn't just about your mouth, it's about your whole body. Smile when you speak, nod your head, use your hands. Why? Movement helps memory. It connects sound to meaning. It makes your speech more expressive and natural. Try it. "I totally get it." Say this while pointing to your head and smiling. "Come on in." Say this while gesturing with your hand. Your brain and body work together. When they do, you speak better. Tip 6. Repeat one sentence in different emotions. Choose a line like, "I can't believe it." Now say it. Surprised, "I can't believe it." Angry, "I can't believe it." Happy, "I can't believe it." This helps your intonation, pitch, and emotional control. and it prepares you for real conversations where tone matters more than words. Shadowing with emotion helps you avoid sounding flat or boring. Use your voice like music, with ups, downs, pauses, and power. Tip 7. Shadow daily life conversations. Many learners waste time on textbook English, unnatural and outdated. But you should shadow real-life phrases that people use every day. Examples: I'll have a coffee, please. Do you have this in a smaller size? Let me know when you're free. Find videos or audio that sound real and relaxed. Shadow those lines until they become automatic. Because the best fluency is the kind you can use today. Tip 8. Use call and response for speed training. Want to think and speak fast? Try this. Question, answer. This builds quick reflexes for conversation. Examples: What do you do? I'm a student. Where are you from? I'm from Brazil. Shadow the question and answer until it's instant. Add variation. Do you like it here? Yes, I really do. Or, no, it's too cold. Train your brain to listen, process, and speak like a reflex. Tip 9. Record your voice, even if you hate it. Many learners say, I don't like hearing my voice. But guess what? That's how you grow. Use your phone. Record 1 minute of shadowing. Play it back. Ask, am I clear? Is my rhythm good? Do I sound natural? Then, do it again and again. This is powerful feedback. You'll notice your improvement week by week. Bonus, share your recordings in a speaking group. Tip 10. Create a daily fluency plan. No fluency without consistency. You don't need hours, just a small daily shadowing habit. Example routine: 10 minutes a day. Choose 3 useful phrases. Shadow each 3x, add emotion. Record yourself. Celebrate small wins. You can use videos from Slow English Lab. Pick your favorite. Make a journal. Write your progress. Fluency is a result of daily action, not talent. Shadow every day, and you will speak naturally, sooner than you think. Bonus, comment challenge. Comment below with, I shadowed for 10 minutes today. Let's support each other. 1 sentence, 1 shadow, 1 day at a time. Goal: 7 days in a row. Can you do it? Conclusion: speak English with confidence, 1 shadow at a time. You've made it to the end. Well done. Now you know the truth. You don't need perfect grammar to speak English. You don't need years of study. You just need 1 powerful habit: shadowing. Shadowing trains your ears to hear real English. Shadowing trains your mouth to speak clearly and confidently. And with just 10 minutes a day, you can start to feel real fluency. Let's review your daily steps. Repeat short phrases. Listen for emotion and rhythm. Speak with your full voice. Record and improve. Stay consistent every single day. This is your fluency journey, and every sentence you shadow is 1 step closer to the speaker you want to become. Now it's your turn. Comment below and tell us, what sentence did you shadow today? Which tip helped you the most? And don't forget, subscribe to Slow English Lab for more real, slow, daily practice. Let's train your ears and mouth together every week. See you in the next video.